What do you think about fly fishing in Hawaii?
Fly fishing in Hawaii is perfect. It'll be a lot better when we catch.
That's right.
All right. Yeah, right there is good to hit the water in front of you. It's okay. Right there. Start bringing it in. The fish is actually about, I don't know where the fish is. It's somewhere out there. Real. It's gonna come to you.
Alright, Island.
Yeah. Keep it coming. No, keep it coming. You didn't lose anything. Keep it coming fast. Watch your reel. It's still on. Trust me, watch it, Eileen. Come over here. It's still on. Reel. It's still on. Let it go. What? Don't hold the line.
Okay. Yeah, baby. Holy smokes, that thing hit like... That thing ripped it out of my...
Go right. Chase it right. There you go. Eileen, come over here. Closer.
That was just a little one.
Yeah.
Holy smokes.
Watch it.
Oh.
Right. Hold it. Just let it go. Just cruise with it. I've been watching you more than anything. Alright.
Sticking whitefish.
Alright, man. There you go.
Right.
It's okay. Get out of there. I'll hold this.
So is that a bonefish?
That's a bonefish.
It's a bonefish.
Look at that.
Nice and easy. Alright.
That's why we came to Hawaii,
Right there. What do you got to say?
Aloha!
Yay!
Alright, let's get some pictures. Hold on.
It's just a little one. One fish. Here we are at Hawaii, bone fishing. End of the bone